friends, let us see the first week of March for zodiac sign Taurus. First week of March, we are going to do 4 cards, friends. Okay. 2 from Tarot deck, 1 from Monology, and 1 from Keeper's deck. Let us remove all the cards first. Thank you. One more time. One more from Tarot card. Let us see how will be your first week of March. We've already posted the month of March. You all might have seen that video, okay? Let's see how will be your first week. Monology card. It gives a special message. Thank you. For you all, the next is Keeper's deck. Taurus. First, one point. I'm not getting that right. Let us open the cards, friends. Very beautiful 10 of Pentacles, Taurus. I can't imagine. A very, very good card. You see, 10 of Pentacles. 10 is, is a completion. It's a completion of the project, completion of the search for new job or for new love, whatever it is. A very beautiful cards, and Pentacles means abundance. More and more money coming on your way. A very happy family life. You will be having support from some elderly person who is very wise, and of course he is there to guide you. Now it is up to you whether you will take guidance or not. Better you just take the guidance, I feel. Then you will have clarity, right? Very beautiful card. Let's see the second message. Oh, the High Priestess. This is actually a very spiritual card, the High Priestess. When it is 10 of Pentacles. See, you've got the intuition power. Very, very bright intuition power, friends. So I think just follow your intuition during the first week of March. So you will have the opportunity which you are waiting for, or project, or someone whom you love. You see? Because closed eyes means very cool, calm and peaceful. So you'll be very peaceful during first week of March. Very beautiful cards. Let us see what the Monology card tells you. Is a new moon. A new start is coming. I said it's completion of a project. So new things are on the way, friend. And follow your intuition. If you follow your intuition, definitely you will be having success in the new project, new love, whatever, Maybe I'm feeling that you are searching for new home, something new, new. So maybe you will get the success, friends. Let us see what the Keeper's card tells you. Thoughts. Oh. You all are very thoughtful. You are thinking too much. That is not bad. You see, to think too much is not bad, but then you have to follow it. That's what the High Priestess tells you. Then you follow your intuitions and work out. Then even the new things will give you success, because already there is a completion of one project, one things, and another thing is coming in your life. So Taurus, I'm very happy for you. Abundance card, ample of opportunity coming in your way. Now also you are very successful, you are having enough money. I didn't see too much, but enough money. You have got beautiful intuition power, and even the card of monology says the new start is coming. You know, definitely with thoughts, be carefully choose your new opportunities. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. I'm getting the vibes that some tension is going on, Taurus, in your mind. Please remove, because I'm getting these vibrations here. Remove your tension. Maybe thoughts means even you're tensed. Don't be tensed, because things are going to happen nicely in your life. Letter N. Maybe letter N is for your project which is coming to you, or a company, or a person. Letter C. Okay. One more. 32 number. 32. Okay. Bound to do. It is your destiny. So you are bound to do certain things, because see the High Priestess card, very spiritual card. Definitely you are bound to do some special things on the earth. That is the reason I feel. So, and you are going to find this way in the first week of March. Friendship. You'll have a beautiful friends. I mean, loyal friends. Not beautiful, sorry. Loyal friends, trustworthy friends, which will make you happy. Okay. Essential oils. Please use essential oil and fragrance, because as I always tell, that essential oil makes more and more awakening in us. You know, it helps us. The fragrance. Okay, next is music. Listen to good music, because when you listen to good music, good thoughts will come in your mind, and definitely your tensions will be removed. Oh, you can see also zero, because I think zero in tarot card, we say it's going to be an end and also a beginning. Summer, okay, something very special is going to happen during this summer season. All the best, friends. Let us see what are the love messages for you, friends, for Taurus. First week of March. Many messages, very good. So many messages. So definitely you are going to have a very good first week of March, friend. Close your eyes and tell yourself that you deserve to feel joyful. You can allow joy into your life regardless of the circumstances you are currently finding yourself in. Maybe you are currently finding that you have worked too much, or doing too much for your love. I mean, for your partner. But just remember, whatever you have done is not going to be, of course it's going to bear fruits. Time has come to clear your energy. Whatever negative energy is there, please clear your energy. The next, no. If anything you have thought when you are looking at video, the answer is no. Of course, for your love. This is especially love messages, friend. Mystery. All will be revealed in good time. Allow the mystery to unfold. That's what I felt when I saw the High Priestess. I got the energy of number 7. 7 is the mysterious number, very secret. Something they tell, something they don't tell. So same thing is getting. Resolving conflict. Resolve the conflicts, so that your mind will be pure and you will be happy. I don't like you talking to other guys or girls. Oh, somebody is envious, or you are envy of someone. Don't be envy, friend. Your partner is going to be yours only. Trust yourself. Trust your partner. It is my fault. Please forgive. Oh, I think you have to say these words to someone out of jealousy. Maybe you have talked very rudely, or somebody has talked rudely to you. Work on yourself first. Yeah, always start always begin with yourself. Because when you grow, when you become pure, when you become positive, you will manifest positive things in your life. Okay, friend, that's all for you, Taurus. Thank you.